Okay, next is partial fraction, but sometimes you get improper fraction. Okay, in maths we have done this before from year 7 all the way. Okay, when you have an improper fraction, or sometimes it's also known as top heavy, you try to divide it and write it as in a mixed number. Okay, so we can do that in polynomial as well. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. My first step is to divide these two. Why I know I can divide? Because the top, the highest degree that you have is x to the power of 3, and then the bottom is only x squared, so certainly I can divide. So I'm going to do the long division method. So let's just follow. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, if you are not sure, please send me a message later. Okay, now you times that will give you 2x times by x square is 2x cube. Okay, you minus, and then 2x times by negative 1 is negative 2x. Oh, there's no x square, so I'm going to write this as plus 0 x square, and then 2x minus 1 is minus 2x. Okay, now let's subtract that. So certainly that's gone. Negative 5x square minus 0 will give you negative 5x square. Negative 3x minus 2x. So negative 3x minus, so that gives me negative x. Okay, so now let's solve this. So that's x squared, so it should be negative 5. Negative 5 times x squared is negative 5x squared, and then negative 5 times by negative 1 is positive 5. Okay, positive 5, or I'll rather write it as, okay, I'll rather, oops, it is this, and then I'll write it as plus 0x. Okay, and then now we have negative 5 times x squared, negative x squared. Negative 5 times by negative 1 is positive 5. Okay, and then let's minus this, that's gone. Okay, that'll be gone, and then okay, minus this, so negative 5, that's gone. Negative x minus 0, so gives me negative x. Okay, and then you have 0 over here, it's nothing. Okay, it's like plus 0. 0 minus positive 5, which is negative 5. Okay, negative 5. Now bring your minus 10 down. Okay, negative 10. Okay, so that will leave me, okay, that will leave me with okay, I'll write it in the next step, negative x minus 15. Okay, so I can't go any more further. Why? Because that's x squared and that's x, so that is your remainder. Okay, that is your remainder. Okay, so now this can be written as, okay, that can be written as, this is a top heavy number, okay, or polynomial. Now I'm going to rewrite this in a mixed polynomial. Okay, so you have 2x minus 5 plus, okay, your remainder, negative x minus 15 over x squared negative 1. Okay, now this is what you need to do the decomposition, okay, partial fraction of decomposition method, to find out what is your a and b value. Okay, 2x minus 5 plus negative x minus 15 over x squared minus 1. So you can leave that one side. Okay, so that's already a whole, I mean, imagine that's in a whole number and this is your fraction. Okay, so this is what we need to do the partial fraction decomposition. So I'm going to do that separately. Okay, so negative x minus 15 over x squared minus 1, this is same as negative okay, x square minus 1, so I can break that. Okay, so I can break that into a over x plus 1 and then plus b over x minus 1. So you need to find out what is your a and b. Okay, what's your a and b? So I'm going to make the denominator same, so times this. Okay, so that should be x plus 1, x minus 1. So what we have here is a, so I'm going to multiply here by x minus 1. Okay, and then plus, you already have your b, and I'm going to times it by x plus 1. Okay, and that will give me on your left negative x minus 15 over x squared negative 1. Okay, so this and this are same, so I can take negative x minus 15 equals to ax minus a plus bx plus b. So negative x minus 15 equals to a plus b, and that's x, then plus b minus a. So let's compare. So a plus b equals to negative 1 and b minus a equals to negative 15. Okay, so negative a plus b equals to minus 15, that's from here, then a plus b equals to negative 1. Okay, a plus b equals to negative 1. So let's solve this. So I can add both, can I? Yeah, so 2b equals to minus 16, so b equals to negative 8. Okay, so from there you find what's your a value. So a plus b equals to negative 1, so a equals to negative 1 positive 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. Okay, so when I rewrite the partial fraction, you get 2. Okay, 2x minus 5 plus a, which is negative 7 over x plus 1, yeah, x plus 1, and then plus b, which is oops, did I miss anything? Sorry, a is positive 7, no, I made a mistake, sorry. Yep, okay, so a plus b equals to negative 1. Okay, sometimes I do. So so sub your b, so a minus b equals to negative 1, so a equals to not minus b, minus 8. Okay, your b is minus 8, a minus 8 equals to negative 1, so a should be 8 minus 1, is not negative 1 minus or plus 8. So from here we know our answer is 7. Yeah, okay, so sub your value, so a over 7 over x plus 1 plus, or rather it's minus, isn't it? But never mind, I'll write it as a fraction, negative 8 over x minus 1. Okay, hope this is clear. Thank you.